Today we're going to make a spaghetti ground turkey dish that is amazing. I don't know how I came up with it, but we're gonna use thin spaghetti. We're gonna use cilantro. We're gonna use tomato, the long onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, jalapeño. I might use half of it, but I might use all of it. Half of an onion and garlic. Let's begin by doing the meat and the pasta. I'm gonna put the pasta in here. I couldn't find another pot, so I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna put the meat here. I'm gonna saute the vegetables and all that goodness. Okay, so I added some oil into the turkey. Add a little bit more. And I have it on medium high. And then I'm gonna add some of this. This is a chicken bouillon from Maggi. But you guys can use whichever one. Just a little bit. Just a little bit goes a long way. And whenever my suggestion is when you start cooking, do a little bit at a time. That way your food doesn't come out salty, okay? Here's the chicken. It's chicken seasoning. I'm not too sure if this is anywhere else that wherever you're at, you can find it, but it's just chicken seasoning. Okay, just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this one, and it is called Sazon Goya. And it has corriander and annatto. I'm not too sure what annatto is, so we're just gonna add a little bit to that. Okay, so probably like half of a packet, and then we'll keep on adding and adding once we start tasting and having a little taster's test. So we're gonna see how the seasoning and the flavors are. Okay, and this is the granulated garlic, and it has no salt in it. Okay. I'm also boiling the water for the pasta. This turkey, I'm only going to cook it for a little bit. I'm gonna put the heat higher, because I'm gonna cook it a little bit more with the pasta. So the pasta is not gonna be fully cooked either. It's gonna be almost al dente. We're going to cook them together just for a few minutes after that, and then the dish is ready. I'm using kosher salt. Just a little. And a little tip. Whenever these have like salt in them, I try to add just a little bit of this at a time, and then this one as well has salt. The only one that does not have salt is this garlic. And then this one also has salt in it. So you have to be aware of what has salt in it. And then if at the end you want to add more salt to it, you could either add the regular salt to it, or you can add whichever one of these. But don't add about the same amount of these to your dish and then the same amount to this, because then it's going to come out salty. And then I'm going to add some olive oil to my pasta water. I'm going to start adding the pasta. Here's the Barilla pasta, thin spaghetti. My son loves this pasta with this dish. I tried it with the regular pasta, and it wasn't the same texture that we wanted. So this one was just right. And for my family, I typically use about half of a box. And since we're adding like all this other stuff, then the food kind of multiplies. It becomes a bigger amount of food. So I like to keep it at tastes like. We're gonna leave it cooking there for a few minutes only. It on. Here's the pasta. It is ready, and I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it. The flavor of the cilantro makes it wonderful.
Fluttering around the kitchen like that makes me very nervous.
So please follow us again. Please follow us again. Or watch our videos again. And if you kindly subscribe to our channel. And check out our latest videos following in the future.
La pasta.
Thank you guys so much for being here. Bye.